One sunny afternoon, Ruby the rabbit and Timmy the turtle sat by the sparkling riverbank, enjoying the gentle breeze. As they watched the water flow, they began to reminisce about their fathers. "Do you remember the story of your dad's race?" Ruby asked, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Timmy chuckled. "Oh, yes. My dad was so determined. He raced against your dad long ago." Ruby grinned. "I love that story. My dad was fast, but your dad was so clever. Tell me again." Timmy smiled and began. "It was a beautiful day, just like today." All the animals gathered to watch the race. Everyone thought my dad wouldn't stand a chance against your dad's speed. Ruby nodded, recalling her father's confident strides. "But your dad surprised everyone, didn't he?" "Yes, he started slow and steady," Timmy continued. "While your dad zoomed ahead, my dad took his time, sticking to the path and avoiding distractions. He knew he had to be careful." Ruby laughed. "And then, just when my dad thought he was winning, he got distracted by a butterfly." Timmy laughed too. "That's right. My dad kept moving, and he passed your dad while he was chasing the butterfly. In the end, my dad crossed the finish line first." As they enjoyed the tale, they suddenly heard a commotion nearby. A group of young animals was gathered by the river, looking worried. Ruby and Timmy rushed over to see what was happening. "What's wrong?" Ruby asked. "A little duckling has fallen into the river," a squirrel cried. "We can't reach her." Timmy's heart raced, but he remembered his father's wisdom. "Ruby, we need to work together like our dads did." "Right," Ruby agreed. "You're strong, Timmy. Can you wade into the shallow part of the river?" Timmy nodded and slowly made his way to the water's edge. He used his sturdy shell to block the current, creating a safe space for the duckling. "Keep calm, little one," Ruby called to the duckling, who was flapping her wings in fear. "We're here to help." With Timmy holding steady, Ruby hopped into the water. She gently scooped the duckling up and carefully brought her to the shore. The other animals cheered. "You did it!" they shouted. The duckling quacked happily, safe and sound. Timmy smiled at Ruby. "Just like our dads, we made a great team today." Ruby grinned back. "Yes, we used our strengths to help someone in need, just like they did in the race." As they sat back by the riverbank, the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the water. They shared laughter and stories, proud to honor their father's legacy while making new memories together.